I'm at 10031 Baltic Avenue, and this is in the much sought after Edgewater neighborhood, specifically Clifton Baltic here. Right down there is West Boulevard, which heads just 2 blocks to Edgewater Park. So we've got a 3-bedroom house, got hardwood floors. The porch has been redone with resilient flooring, so that will never rot. View from your porch, beautiful yard, foyer. Extremely well taken care of house. So the owner has taken really good care of the home, kept it up over the years. Big living room, again, hardwood floors. Nice sized dining room. It's kind of get this little sun area with the big windows there. So you see he's got his plants, some ornate leaded glass. He opened the kitchen up to the dining room to get to more of an open floor plan. This is kind of a neat space up here. You can see how everything connects. So, you know, it's got a nice open floor plan here. Lots of counter space in the kitchen. Let's head upstairs. Got vinyl windows throughout. Again, hardwood floors. Nice size room. This has got really nice closet here. Organized, ready to go. It's bedroom 2. This has got a nice sized closet. This room has access to the attic. Not a ton to see up here. Pretty classic attic. Owner's still working to get little things cleaned up here, but you get the idea. Our 3rd bedroom's over here, and he's got it set up as an office right now, and with a futon, so that if he does need that 3rd bedroom, he can use it. There is no closet in here, but there's room for an armoire if you want one. Big bathroom. Very spacious. Got the tile tub surround. Nice vanity. And we've got bedroom level laundry. So that is awesome. Let's head down to the basement. I think the basement says a lot about the house because it is so clean. You can eat off the floors. As you can see, they just gleam. So in order to get another bathroom, excuse me, he's got this set up down here for a little half bath. But it's nice. It's he's done a great job with it. He's got these folding screens for some privacy. He's got a nice sink and everything, so it works really well. Got updated electrical, hot water tank. He is running a dehumidifier down here. Let's head out back. I know one of the owner's favorite things about the house is this huge back porch with a stone floor. And this is an amazing covered outdoor hangout here. It's really incredible. Nice gardens all around. AC. Privacy fenced on this side. We've got some chain link, some privacy fence, but then we've got the bushes also. Huge garage. I measured it, it's like 22 by 23. So, a normal garage is 20 by 20. That little bit of extra makes a huge difference because, it gives you this whole side here where you can actually store things. And it gives you that back wall to store things too. So, and you could fit 2 cars in here. So that's great. And he's got another raised garden back here. And what we've got back here is that goes up to the railroad track. So your neighbors are the railroad, and trains do go by. So you're going to hear them. They're not really blowing horns, but you're going to hear them from time to time. So Clifton, Baltic, like I said earlier, down the street, we've got Edgewater Park, huge park on Lake Erie, amazing resource. From there's bike paths that go down to Whiskey Island, the Flats, Ohio City, and then if you walk the other way, you can walk to Lucky's grocery store. There's a Starbucks, different restaurants, all within walking distance of this location. There's also a great bus route that gets downtown very quickly. And if you walk around, you can hit the train, which will take you to the airport, downtown, or University Circle, where Case Western Reserve and the area hospitals are. So great house, and that's all I got.